All right, let's try another problem now. I'm on page 248, the next page in the Go Math textbook. Follow along. Now, you'll notice this chart is not in your textbook. At least it's not on page 248. I pulled it over from page 247, and because I pulled it over, that should be a clue to you that this is going to be an important chart to use on your homework. Me personally, I allow my students to use notes on their tests, so these would be some notes you would want to include. You'd want to earmark that page 247. Anytime you have a distance, rate, and time problem, you're going to want to remember not only the formulas, but exactly when to use them. Okay? So you may want to include this chart in your notes. Santiago's class traveled to the Museum of Natural Science for a field trip. To reach the destination, the bus traveled at a rate of 65 miles per hour for 2 hours. So we have the rate and we have the time. What distance did Santiago's class travel? That's our question. So we need to find distance. So we're going to be using this formula. That's the distance formula. So what do I need to find? I need to find the distance. Santiago's class traveled. What information do I need to use? I need to use the rate. Of 65 miles per hour and the time traveled of 2 hours. How will I use that information? I will plug it in to the formula D equals rate times time. All right, and solve the problem. So my rate was 65. My time was 2 hours, and that's going to tell me my distance. So 65 times 2, we can all do that. Distance equals 130 miles. Oops. All right. That is it. So once we know which formula to use, that's going to be the hardest part in this lesson, is deciding which one of these formulas I need to use. This chart, I believe, will help you to find that out, to decide which one to use. Because what you do is you're just looking at the question, and it'll say, what is the rate, or how much time, or what distance, and then you just look, well, to find distance, I need to use that formula. Once you know the formula, now we're doing basic multiplication or division. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.